We are back again with another VG Buffet 2. Koloi tse Buffet le ska fa batho ba sa tsebeng story sa yona. Don't give it to people who don't understand this thing, that's why now okay. Cut story short, this car came through in a low compression test go cylinder number 1. I'm using this very cheap compression test kit go Maidasi, but it works well for me. And then now we tested the compression. All other cylinders were reaching up to 800 kPa. Okay, but then cylinder number 1 was reading 200, which is very low. And then this car was misfiring. It was misfiring, and then now we suspected that the valves were bent. I have not yet checked the valves, so now I currently know I swing into the tshwana. So now we will fall alles. We look into details. We inspect as we're stripping. I inspect as I'm stripping, let me say that. Then now look at this thing. It's moving so smooth. This is so nice, This is so nice of the VG30. Look the clearance of the piston number 2 and number 5. They're clearing so nice. This is so sweet. Let's go further more. Piston number 4 and number 6 there.